In this video, I'm going to show you a lot of things. Here you guys can see the spy killer system sniper entries, a few results that you guys can see on screen. I'm showing you how actually the system profitable. Now let me show you the results where we trading. Look here at different accounts where the system works. Let's check the withdrawal from the system. Look here guys, different withdrawals we took. These are very little, just to show you the profitability and consistency of the system. Now let me show you a live spy killer system. Let's move on MT5, see how it works. Here you guys can see the system which is just on, and here we receive the signal of a buy. If you guys see below, the dashboard is also showing the buy signal. Keep watching live guys. You see the accuracy of system front of you. Here we place the trade waiting for spike. Give us spike. Look here guys. Yeah, this is the power system. This is the power system. Always we enter, we make money and come out. If you guys interested in this system and want to have this system, yeah, you guys may check us on Telegram, on WhatsApp. We're here to help you guys to have this profitable system with super accuracy. Now let me show you our live account on Deriv official website. Here you guys can see the total balance and also the Deriv MT5. Look here, this is live, this is live, this is live. Let me refresh. Look here, this is live. So this is the power system. Thanks for watching guys.